Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a random for a one-box break 2013 Panini National Treasures Football. All names have been entered into random.org, and I'm going to randomize it 6 times. Good luck everyone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Jeremy at the bottom with the Redskins tie. First timer, welcome, brother. You got the Cardinals. Oops, wrong spreadsheet. All right, let's do it. Oh, nice, Tom. All right, here we go. Ty, Arizona Cardinals. Chris, Falcons. Jeremy with the Ravens. Chris M with the Bills. Ty with the Panthers. Jeremy with the Bears. Jason with the Bengals. Melina with the Browns. Jeremy with the Cowboys. Jeremy with the Broncos. Jeremy with the Lions. Tom with the Packers. Nice team there. Jason with the Texans. Shoei with the Colts. Jason with the Jaguars. Brian with the Chiefs. Brian with the Dolphins. Shoei with the Vikings. Jeremy with the Patriots. Ed D the third with the Saints. Jeremy with the Giants. Jason with the Jets. Jeremy with the Raiders. Jeremy with the Eagles. Ed D the third with the Steelers. Brian with the Chargers. Melina with the 49ers. Ed D the third with the Seahawks. Tom T with the Rams. Brian with the Bucks. Ed D the third with the Titans. Jeremy with the Redskins. All right, guys, there you have it. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com and follow me on Twitter at thecasebreakers. Boom, baby!